Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. You go to source for all things social media and tech tips. If you've ever tried updating your Twitter profile only to be met with that annoying profile update failed message, you know how frustrating it can be. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through some simple steps to fix this issue and get your Twitter profile looking exactly how you want it. So let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about why this issue might be happening. It could be due to a poor internet connection, Twitter server issues, or even something as simple as an outdated app. But no matter the reason, here are several options you can try. So the first step is to check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network or your mobile data is strong enough. Sometimes a simple switch between Wi-Fi and data can do the trick. Solution 2 is to update your Twitter app. Head over to your App Store or Google Play or Play Store and search for Twitter and hit the update button if it's available. Running the latest version of the app can fix a multitude of issues, including profile update failures. Now, solution number 3, clear your app's cache. This can solve the issue by removing any corrupted data that might be causing the problem. On Android, you can do this from your phone settings on the apps. For iPhone users, you might have to uninstall and reinstall app. For solution number 4, try updating your profile from a different device. Sometimes the issue might be with your phone or its software. And there you have it, 4 simple solutions to help you fix the profile update failed issue on Twitter. Remember, if all else fails, reaching out to Twitter support team is also a good option. I hope this video helped you get your Twitter profile updated without any hitches. If it did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.